what we have here today is a 1970, or actually 1971. It was manufactured 10 of 70, so that would be a 71. This bike is a barn find. It's sitting for many, many years. I did get it running, and there's some cosmetic work that it would need to make it very nice, but it's an all original bike. 10,975 miles. So when I got it, I cleaned the tank out, cleaned the carbs, re-cleaned the master cylinder, or the brake caliper, and freed the brake caliper. So the front brake works beautiful, the hydraulic brake. I went through all that. Again, the carburetors have been going through. This bike starts easy. I put a new battery in it, and cosmetically, you can see it's original paint. There's, you know, it's what it is. Stripe has got some marks on it, some imperfections on the tank. Nothing real bad. Obviously, the seat cover needs to be replaced. And I'll lift the seat up, let you look at it. So I put a new battery in it, as I mentioned. The starter is not working, although I think I might be able to get that going. I have an idea what it is. Working our way around, again, the bike's complete, original mufflers. The chrome's not the best on them, but they're not rusted out. Old tires, which would need replaced. Old chain should be replaced. But anyways, the chrome's actually pretty decent on the bike. Original tail lamp. Shocks are in nice condition. They're not rusty. Working our way around. All the badges are there. The side covers are complete. Still exist. Working our way around again. All the controls work. Everything works on it. The horn, signals, except for the electric starter. And again, I think I'm going to get that fixed tomorrow. So the rims are not that great, but they're not that bad either. They are what they are. And again, it's going to need fork seals and fork boots for sure. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on. There's the horn. Where's the horn? I guess the horn's not working. Signal. When I start it up, they'll blink. Lights. High, low. Tail lamp is working, as well as the brake lamp. There's the brake light. Tail light works. And I'm going to go ahead and start it with the Kickstarter. And the gas is on. Straight down. Signals are not blinking, but they are coming on. Might need a flasher. I'll look into that tomorrow as well. Probably a flasher. This bike actually runs pretty nice. There it is, idling. Idle's good. I'm going to take it for a little ride around the block here. Show you how it shifts through the gears. Probably the original tires. These are the fronts, they got the old ripped tire on it. Well, that's a wrap.